I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili bites. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and gather ground beef, chili flakes, cheddar, scallions, garlic, salt, and wonton wrappers. Brown the beef, add spices and cooled filling, then portion into wrappers. Brush with oil and bake until golden. Serve warm with dipping sauce and a squeeze of lime for brightness, and enjoy these crunchy, spicy bites with friends and family. Start by heating a skillet over medium heat and brown the ground meat until no pink remains. Stir in chili flakes, minced garlic, salt, and cumin, then cook for another 2 minutes to bloom the spices. Remove from heat and fold in shredded cheddar and chopped scallions. Let the mixture cool so the wrappers stay crisp during baking, and taste once more to adjust seasoning before filling each wrapper. Lay out wonton wrappers and place a measured scoop of cooled filling in the center of each one. Brush the edges lightly with water, fold and crimp to seal, making little parcels that will hold their shape while baking. Arrange them on a parchment-lined sheet, brush with oil for extra crispness, and bake at 400 degrees F until golden brown. Let them rest briefly so the filling sets, then serve hot for the best crunch and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.